Unlock the secrets to mastering online market intelligence with this comprehensive Similarweb tutorial for beginners. First, let's navigate to Similarweb. You'll be greeted by their clean homepage. The key is the search bar at the top. This is where you'll enter any website address you want to analyze, or even the name of a company. Let's try analyzing a well-known website. Type in the URL and hit enter. You'll land on the website's analysis page. The overview section is your first stop. Here, you'll find crucial metrics like total visits, bounce rate, and average visit duration. This gives you a quick snapshot of the website's performance. Scroll down to discover where the traffic is coming from. The traffic sources section is invaluable. See how much traffic comes from direct visits, referrals, search engines, social media, and email. This tells you what marketing channels are effective. Curious about who's visiting? The geography section shows you the countries where the website's audience is most concentrated, visualized on a map. To understand audience behavior and discover competitors, look for audience interests and related websites. This reveals what content users engage with and other sites they visit, giving you intel on your competition. Want to know who your competitors are? Navigate to the competitors section. Similarweb will automatically identify direct and indirect competitors, allowing you to see how you stack up. By analyzing multiple websites and their traffic patterns, you can start to identify broader market trends and gain a deeper understanding of your target audience's online journey. From understanding your own site's performance to dissecting your competitors, Similarweb is your go-to tool for data-driven online strategies. Start exploring today.